Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can choose your monitor refresh rate on your Windows 11. So the refresh rate, the higher refresh rate, the more smooth movement on your when you're playing games, especially when you play a first-person shooter. It's very important to have or use the higher refresh rate than default. So uh, let's go to the settings. You can start and then settings. Here you can choose the system, then you can directly click on display. Here we go. You can click advanced display information and refresh rate. Here we go. This is your display information. This is my monitor right now. I'm using the Lenovo 2020E40. This is a VA, not IPS. So I'm enjoying watching movie than playing games right now. So I'm using the VA, not the IPS, not the TFT. So here we go. 75 Hz is my default. So you can choose refresh rate. Default is 60 Hz, but I'm using 75 Hz because high refresh rate gives smoother motion, but also uses more power. So if your monitor have higher refresh rate, please choose the higher refresh rate to give smoother motion when you're playing games. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.